Kids Kingdom with Buddha B. What a wonderful gift!
Hello friends, welcome to Kids Kingdom with Buddha B. I'm just trying to see what Auntie Mavis got me for my birthday tomorrow. No, I'm only kidding. It's not my birthday tomorrow. But I wonder what's inside of this box. Have you ever had a present that was wrapped up, but you weren't allowed to open it yet because it wasn't the right time? Maybe something for Christmas that was wrapped, or something for your birthday, or for some special occasion. And Mommy and Daddy wrapped it up, but it wasn't time to open it. Then maybe you were excited. You're also a little bit nervous because you think maybe it's not the present I really wanted. Maybe they didn't get me what I like. Or maybe they got me what I asked for. So we have this mixed feelings inside. Do you know that Jesus also promised his disciples that he will leave them something? On Thursday that was past, we celebrated the ascension of Jesus into heaven, where he went to stay with his Father. And he told the disciples, and for all of us, and we can read it in John 14, verse 15 and 16. I'm reading from the Good News Bible. It says, "If you love me, you will obey my commandments. I will ask my Father, and he will give you another helper who will stay with you forever." Jesus promised that when he goes away to his Father, he will gift the Church of Christ something. Now this coming Sunday is very exciting because we celebrate the start of the Church of Christ. Yes, the very beginning of the Church of Christ, because all the disciples and everyone who was around got blessed with the Holy Spirit. That is the best gift of all. Better than any PlayStation or doll or bicycle or car or anything. Because this special gift allows the children of Christ to do anything. We got so much power once the Spirit of Christ comes into our lives. I will talk a little bit more about that next week Sunday. But this week, I want you to wait in anticipation and pray. Tell God you also want to have his Spirit in your life so that you have power to change things. Won't you sing with me?
The love of Jesus is so wonderful. The love of Jesus is so wonderful. The love of Jesus is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so low, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. You must go through the door. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so low, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. You must go through the door.
Bye-bye. See you guys.